All right, welcome back to today is my Saturday. It's 2 Saturdays late, but guess what? It's still a Saturday because that's the time I have. I am going to be doing the oil change, valve cover, gaskets, injector brass. I don't know what they're called. Little things down at the bottom of the injector. I think my torque wrench was loose, and so some of them have kind of leaked. And once they start to leak, I would assume that it creates a path and you can't fix it with just tightening. So I'm going to replace those brasses, replace that stuff, get the injectors down and tight, check all the fluids, get it all done, take it for a test drive this afternoon, make sure she's running good still, and give it a few moon boost. So I'll show you what I'm doing. We'll retorque that head, make sure we're good. It's really hard. I checked the oil and it is just as clean as when I put it in almost 900 miles ago. Cut her up, Rob says to do. I'm doing because I don't want this to blow up, and I think he has good ideas. So let's get her done. Alright, so changing the oil, putting the oil plug out, which is really cool that this one has basically you put your ratchet straight onto the bolt. Look at that oil, how clean and shiny it is. Usually it is jet black, disgusting. My goodness, it's horrible. But my pan seems to not let the oil go through. It's also super cold oil. I didn't heat it up because I'm doing a cold retorque. Look at the pan. It's like to the brim. Anyway. Oil I let drain out for an hour or so. I didn't think he wanted to watch it, so I sped it up. And tightening up, make sure everything's good, and voila. Once I have the oil drained and everything's done underneath, we start the party up top. I'm going to take off all the valve covers, the fuel lines, and everything like that. I wish it went this fast in real life. You can see my son and I having some wonderful man-to-man, not daughter. My daughter's not helping. Fatherly talking stuff like, this is my car. Someday you'll have a car and I'll work on it while you watch because you don't want to learn. Either way, that's what we're doing. So, getting it ready to do the torque and enjoy. Everything's been torqued. We'll just put it at 125 and go to town. Of moments. Number one. Right here. Right, this one. Carter. Yep. So this better just click. With the first one torqued, we subsequently did all 26. Yes, I know the number because I did them several times. All 26 all torqued down. One of them moved very slightly, not enough for me to actually care. I call it great success. So we kept going, got the torque. Now I'm doing the injectors. And you can see here breaking the injectors loose, each one individually, and then you work through it. It's kind of a slow, tedious process, but there's a little dust ring on them that I had one broken, and there was rusty stuff on the injector already, so kind of cleaned them up a little bit as I went. I couldn't get them, so I get a wrench and I wiggle it to pull it out. But it's super cool to go through the injectors. See, that's the nut, retention nut, and then the injector doesn't want to come out. You get a little wrench and wiggle, and it all comes out. So I get it all going. The little brass crush washers underneath. Either way, got them all done. Get through all the injectors, put new crush wash. I'm gonna call it a crush washer because it's a washer that you crush. But 3 of the injectors had little fizzy leaks. I do have to say, after driving it a little bit, I got 31 miles a gallon-ish, rough mathing it in. So I think it helped my fuel economy by fixing these little injector things. Hopefully I have less of leaks. Either way, I'll be doing some tests on my fuel economy again once I know what I'm driving. And look how fast I am. Injector. And look, I'm torquing them. Everything gets torqued now with a good torque wrench. And I torqued everything good, and then I put the little washers on the bolts for the return line. Look at me go. If I was this fast, I would be a mechanic for a living because I would make so much money She's like, yep, I can fix your car for you. Give me about 20 minutes. Boom. So yeah, getting the injector lines all on. And the valve cover gaskets. I put new gaskets and new little O-rings. See the little O-ring kit? And then some of the O-rings were slightly off size and they pinched up, so I grabbed different O-rings, you'll see, and I switch them out. That's all that is. So I tighten them down, because I had a couple of these valve cover gaskets leaking, probably because of the moon boosting. Either way. So I get all the gaskets fixed, then fill it with oil, which is smart. Apparently I'm stupid though. See how I put the whole second gallon? I only put half. So it blew out that all over the car. That's the car running. You see the injector shooting crap everywhere. And then this is me bleeding it. So thank you. This must be east. Okay, we have successfully done it. The oil's changed, head was retorqued, nothing moved. One bolt was a little bit, but not worried. Water's good. Test drive time. So I'm going to take it on a date with my wife because she's hot. And then I'll have that test drive done. I'm going to probably pull it in the front and wash it because it's filthy. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. Great success. Have a good day.